Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. Neeraj Chopra won gold in the javelin throw final event while Kishore Kumar Jaina won silver. India's boxer Lovlina Borgohain won the silver medal in the women's 75 kg category event. Saurav Ghosal has reached the finals in the men's squash singles event. Indian men's hockey team won the semi-final against South Korea. Indian badminton players PV Sindhu and HS Pranoy have reached the quarterfinals of women's and men's single badminton. Meanwhile, Jyoti Surekha, Vennam and Ojas Diotale have won the compound mixed team archery event, bringing gold to home. With this, India's medal tally reaches 76. According to the Brazilian National Development Bank, Switzerland and the United States have donated $8.4 million to Brazil's Amazon Fund to help stop deforestation and preserve the world's largest tropical rainforest. Switzerland contributed 5 million Swiss francs, that is 5.4 million, while the United States contributed $3 million. The Amazon Fund was established in 2008 to raise funds to fight deforestation. On October 4, NewsClick founder Prabir Purkayastha and HR head Amit Chakravarti were remanded to 7 days police custody. They have been arrested in a case filed under the UAPA following allegations the portal received money for pro-China propaganda. The editor-in-chief has moved Delhi's Patiala House Court seeking a copy of the first information report. On October 3, the police sealed the NewsClick office in Delhi and conducted raids at 30 different places, including the homes of several journalists. Along with documents, several digital devices, including laptops and mobile phones, have been seized. The government has raised the subsidy amount for Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana beneficiaries from Rs 200 to 300 per LPG cylinder. This decision will reduce the cost of cylinders for Ujjwala beneficiaries to Rs 603, providing them with more affordable access to clean cooking fuel. The Indian Air Force received the first LCA Tejas twin-seater aircraft from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited on October 4. According to HAL, the twin-seater variant has all the necessary capabilities to support the IAF's training needs and can also be expanded to serve as a fighter if required. The LCA Tejas twin-seater is a 4.5 generation lightweight multi-role aircraft. 18 twin-seaters were ordered by HAL from the IAF, and 8 of them are expected to be delivered between 2023 and 2024. The remaining 10 would be delivered in the stages by 2026 and 27. The water level of the Krishnarajasagar Dam in Mandya district reached the 100-foot mark on October 4 as a result of the recent good rains in Kodagu district, which increased the inflow into the dam. Tuesday's water level at KRS was 99.54 feet as opposed to a maximum of 124.8 feet. With an inflow of 11,800 cusecs and an outflow of 1,592 cusecs. An FIR has been registered against Shiv Sena MP Hemant Patil after he made the acting dean of Government Hospital in Nanded clean the dirty toilets. The incident, captured in a viral video, led to a complaint by the acting dean SR Wakode is charged with obstructing a public servant and defamation. On Wednesday, as part of a major push towards clean energy, Reliance Industries showed its interchangeable and multi-purpose battery storage technology for electrical vehicles. These batteries can also be used to power home appliances via an inverter. Battery storage technology development is a component of Reliance's larger $10 billion green push for clean energy projects. By 2035, the company hopes to become net carbon neutral and reduce reliance on its core oil-to-chemical business. On October 4, Meta plans to lay off employees in the unit of its Metaverse-focused Reality Labs division responsible for producing customized silicon. On October 3, a post on the Workplace Internal Discussion Forum informed staff members of the layoffs. There will be layoffs in the Facebook Agile Silicon team, or FAST, which is in charge of creating unique chips to power the augmented and virtual reality hardware. More than 21,000 Meta employees have been let go since November 2023. Mongi G. Bavendi, Louis E. Bruce and Alexei I. Ekimov have won the Nobel Prize 2023 in chemistry for the discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences said the Nobel laureates in chemistry 2023 have succeeded in producing particles so small that their properties are determined by quantum phenomena. The particles, which are called quantum dots, are now great importance in nanotechnology. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, you know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.